Everyone. Today we'll do the force between two parallel wires, and then we'll define 1 ampere. Let's start. We'll take two wires, this and this. This is wire 1, this is wire 2. Current flowing in wire 1 is I1 and the current flowing in wire 2 is I2, and the distance between the wires is A. Whatever I have told will be the considerations. We have two wires with current I1 and I2 placed at a distance. Now, magnetic field due to wire 1 on wire 2. Magnetic field that the second wire will face because the 1 will be equal to B1 is equals to U naught I1 upon 2 pi A cross. Now, force experienced by wire 2 will be equal to F is equal to, we'll write it as F2 will be equal to IL cross B. So we get F2 is equal to I2, the current flowing in wire 2. The length of the wire is L, we know, into B1 sine 90. B1, that is the magnetic field on wire 2 because of 1. So we get F2 is equals to I2 U naught I1 upon 2 pi A, and it will be towards wire 1. Similarly, so F2 by L, that is force upon length, is equals to F2 will be equal to U naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi A. Similarly, we'll get magnetic field of because of wire 2 on wire 1 will be equal to B2 is equals to U naught I2 by 2 pi A. That is inside. So we get force experienced F1 will be equal to IL into B, which is I1 V2 sine 90 into L. So I1 U naught I2 upon 2 pi A, and F2 by L is equals to F2 is equals to F1, the force on wire 1 will be equals to U naught I1 I2 by 2 pi A, and this will be towards wire 1. So we get that similar current carrying wires attract each other. Similar current carrying wires attract. Now we'll define 1 ampere. There's a very important question. Define 1 ampere. So as we know, the force is U naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi a. We know that u naught by 2 pi is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. We'll take it as 1, 1 and 1. So the 1 ampere is that current, is that value of steady current which flowing in each of the two parallel wires that are infinitely long and of negligible cross section, placed in vacuum at a distance of 1 meter. So we have 1 ampere flowing in both the wires and at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Produces between them a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter of their length. So it says that if there are two parallel wires and they are placed at a distance of 1 meter, infinitely long charged wires, and the current flowing between them is 1 ampere. So when 1 ampere of force, 1 ampere of current flows in two parallel wires and they are placed at a distance of 1 meter in vacuum, then the force between these two wires will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. So this is the definition for 1 ampere. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video.